Hi, my name is Tyler Levesque. I'm a sales estimator here at Couto Construction. Just to let you know a little bit of what you can expect from us at Couto and also myself as an estimator when we meet is one, we're going to be doing an inspection together on your home on the exterior so you can point out any issues, problem, concerns that have been prevalent on your home. From there, I will then get my ladder off of my truck if required, inspect whatever product essentially on the exterior that you're having issues with. And then we can go over the product and also our processes at Couto, kind of how the company operates, so you have a clear expectation of what to expect to us and essentially what you're going to be receiving from us at Couto for your specific project or needs. Outside of work, I thoroughly enjoy bowling. I've been competing in bowling since I was like 6 years old. I went to college and competed in the collegiate level bowling. I like to give back to the bowling community as well through coaching and things like that. How I would define a successful project would be essentially you just being happy with the service. You have no additional questions, you have no additional comments, you have no additional concerns. Everything from original meeting to completion of the project went smoothly and went easily, and we set a good expectation from A to Z, and we completed said expectations that we set. Again, my name is Tyler Levesque. I'm an estimator here at Couto, and I look forward to meeting you and solving any issues that are present with your home.